I'm back.
Oh my god.
Why?
And that.
I want to keep that.
I want to keep that.
We can edit this later, maybe. Now.
Are we gonna post this somewhere?
I don't know. No.
Are any of your parents home?
I'm gonna be all crooked.
That looks dumb.
Because I need to stay. Why did you brighten me up? I want to be dark. No! You damn.
That'll work.
Huh?
It's not gonna work if you put it in the hole. You put it in the hole.
Guys, this table doesn't have a hole.
Are you dumb? There's holes.
There's holes, but not a hole. This is the only table without a hole.
Oh, look and look. The holes. Oh, yeah.
That's not like that. No, wait, no.
No, this one's weird.
What the hell? No, these are the old tables, though. These are all the new
Oh,
ones.
isn't the one that was for over there?
Yeah. Bye!
Look, it vibrates. Like a vibrator.
That hurts.
You guys are fucking up my damn video.
That hurts. I can't make it vibrate.
Ow! Fucking bitch! When you had it, I had my finger here, so I hit it!
You're such a baby. No.
You're a bitch.
You are too.
Make sure to do it out of the camera.
She did that.
She did this.
It's not like I'm putting this anywhere.
Then why did you say I made sure to have it off camera?
And I'm gonna make sure I edit it. Edit it out.
I lost my
We'll
brightness.
edit that out later.
I lost my brightness. Oh, there we go.
Did you start a new one?
Huh? No, I'm still in 2 minutes. Welcome, everyone.
Ew. Bitch.
Let's go to the vending machine. I have money. My phone. Anyone?
Oh my god, I almost dropped it. Hey, take care of the vlog. The new owner here. Oh, there's something in my teeth. That's embarrassing.
Who's gonna see this? Oh my god, you guys.
Fucking eat it.
You guys did not tell me anything. There's something in your nose.
A booger?
Mm-hmm. You didn't tell me there was something in my teeth.
There's something in your teeth?
Yes. I was talking to her like that. No, I thought I got stuck.
What the fuck? No! No! You have to jinx it!
Here, wait. Just kick it.
There's an alarm!
Oh.
You can't kick it, you're just kicking this outside!
Wait.
Did you not record the whole thing?
I did.
Should I just get another one, try again?
It's gonna miss.
What if
Okay,
it hits
go.
it? What if it hits it?
Go, try it.
Okay, should I get the same one though? Like,
Yeah, because it felt the same way.
Wait, which one did you get? Oh, the puffs.
watch me not get shit right now.
It's gonna get stuck up here.
Record this.
I'm recording.
Here we go.
Oh.
No. Mark, you have skinny fingers.
Oh, my dollar!
Mark, you have skinny fingers. Try to get it.
You can't get it. It blocks it.
Is this seriously happening to me?
I can't.
Joke.
Is it really doing this to me?
Rest in peace.
I'm gonna freaking make someone's
Wait.
day later on.
They're gonna be like, you got a piece of paper?
I just need to move it. Does anyone have a stick? Oh, let's go get a stick.
Where?
I need a fucking
Oh, this baby stick.
That's a fat stick. That's
Let's
not
see.
gonna
Let's
work.
see.
No.
Where's the entrance? Okay. My stick is in.
Ew, Daisy.
My stick is getting stuck.
You're gonna break the freaking vending machine.
I need to turn it. Let's turn it the other way.
Is there a skinnier stick?
Oh my god, my hand.
I found a skinnier stick.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it like this either. Put it through. Or just give it to me.
Did you get
Can
the
you hold
other
the stick?
stick?
Can you hold the stick right here? I need the stick to push up.
What stick?
The stick over here in my hand.
What hand do you have all
Right there. Do you see the stick? Do you see the stick? Do you see the stick in there?
Yes.
Now push it up. Push it up.
My hand is like the stick got stuck.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's right there. Okay.
Okay, there.
Wait, Laura. Actually, Laura, I need it sticking first. Oh no, there, I got it. The stick can go through. How'd the fountain go? Lower
You got it.
Lower. I can't even know. Lower it. Oh no, I'm in the wrong hole.
There. Oh, this isn't gonna work with two people.
Oh, she's going back in.
Fuck her. I'm staying out here until I
Oh
get my
wait,
chance.
oh my gosh, she's sitting there.
Okay, my stick's in, but I need to turn it.
Go.
I can't see it.
Go what? What are you doing? You should have just shoved it up in there.
It doesn't go up. There's another black thing, you idiot.
Oh, I see your fingers.
Go.
Do you think I can do it?
It's stuck.
You're there. You're there.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Okay, you're there. Hold it there, and then
I can't. I let go of it already.
oh my god, we're fucking bobbing.
I know.
Oh my god.
That's
Such a verb.
That's so funny.
Why do you have to open your mouth and say one, two, three?
I thought it got stuck up here.
Oh, you want to try getting it?
There.
Yes! Let's just leave the sticks in there. Just in case. You never know. My fucking arm hurts.
Woo.
Teamwork. I should
Yeah.
have one since I helped you.
Wow. Fake.
You were recording the whole
I know.
Oh my god, you had that all on video.
That was